Visual of the final starts with some metal. We're going to make some exhaust risers, so we're backing down on a Marlin. The salt water has no chance of getting into the engine. That adds 12 extra inches. Put in the water heater, put in the satellite TV with the dock shore. Did all the Blackwater system, getting the manuals together. Finished the panel in the salon, putting up all the cabinet doors, doing the final ice maker frame. All the windows needed to be gasketed. Got a slider in the master staterooms done. All the heads are in. The head switches, soap dish, and the food storage boxes, all fabric. Reading lights in the guest stateroom. Here we're showing how we have to adjust all the gaskets on the forward port lights. Example of the stereo where we just started. All that stereo and stuff's done in the salon. We got the side port and starboard salon lights with 5 different colors on. We have all the Y valves in the heads in, all the drawers on, the drawers buttons, all the handles to open the cabinets. We have some electrical that's messy, needs labels. We have the tube inserts for the rod holders, the electrical panel latch. We put the covers on the wireways, working on the alarm panel in the salon and the alarm panel up at the flybridge, getting the water into the mixers, doing all the plumbing for the steering, putting in a 220 panel in the battery room, a generator battery charger, added a 24 volt bank with a 24 volt charger of its own to give us some extra redundancy so that everything's not on the inverter bank. Had to put in all the bilge pumps, finish the engine room lights. That's another Y valve in the master stateroom. Put the shaft glands on, put the rod holders into the teak swim step.